Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every
Hello,
small
Thomas.
detail
Hello, Jan.
that would maybe
How
go
are you?
unnoticed by the common eye.
Last day of the week.
On or by the edge is our playground,
True.
with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Let's put some music on. How are you, Janar? How are you, everyone?
I'm okay.
Just okay.
Yes. Because pretty bad days been. And
Why?
we don't hear music.
Ah, you should hear now.
Yep,
Can you-
no, I hear.
Let's see. No open positions. I logged in profit I think about 50 pips. Price gone up another 20 or 30, but I took profit around 50, 60. Price started dropping earlier as I was expecting. I thought he's going to at least step into this liquidity zone, but it hasn't. I think there's more downside potential for gold, but again, it depends on the market data or the economic data. Today we have PPI and jobless claims. PPI forecast year-on-year increase, month-on-month decrease, which is quite mixed. If you have a look at the core, almost unchanged. Jobless claims continuing increasing, initial decreasing. So every single data is mixed. But nothing is lost. What we need to do is analyze and prepare for every possibility, every probability. Right now I see more downside potential on gold, all the way down to 2260. And if jobless claims comes out higher than expected, that's a bullish factor for gold. So higher jobless claims is bullish, adding lower PPI. I'm good, Tarek, thank you so much. How are you? The other scenario, if we have lower jobless claims, that's bearish for gold. More jobs being created, the job market is able to suck up the excess unemployed from the labor market. And if we combine this with higher PPI, which is a sign of higher prices in the future, because PPI is a leading inflation indicator. Good. So it's a higher, higher PPI, lower jobless claims. Gold should continue to sell off. Is anyone in a buy or sell?
I'm in a buy.
I'm selling.
I have a sell
I
stop at
found
23.05.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the sell. So that is the sell I just placed. The stop loss, I give a good 40-50 pips when the data comes out, because we don't know what the data is going to be. No one knows what the data is going to be, and right now we are in a period where every single week, every single month we have mixed data. 1 month or 1 week data is inflationary, then followed by the deflationary, so it's very mixed. I think we entered into a stagflation period, high inflation and stagnating output, and that's why I'm placing a sell. And it's already in profit. 8 pips, 9 pips.
Yesterday was CP lower. Is possible that PP going to lower, or
Anything is possible, brother. I wouldn't say I'm afraid to make any forecast, but with everything is happening and with the so mixed data, it's difficult to say. Especially now we cruising into summer trading season. It is summer trading season now, and it's going to be worse and worse and worse. You're going to see more sideways movements. You're going to see more dirty moves. It's not, the flow of orders is not as clean as it was in January and February, beginning of the year. And truth to be told, no one knows really. So I'm placing most of the trades, of course, reading loads of fundamentals, loads of macroeconomics, trying to figure out and put the puzzle together, but it's becoming more difficult every single month. But if you look at the macroeconomics, if you remember, we light traded the FOMC, which didn't go very well, so we were in profit of I think about 50-60 pips. And what happened yesterday is that Jay Powell started to talk. Everything was going fine. The market was ignoring the fact that they raised the dot plot, so the appropriate level of interest rate expectation. They raised it, and also the inflation expectation have been raised, which is bearish for gold. So generally speaking, if you conclude what happened yesterday, it's clearly bearish for gold, because from 3 to 4 rate cuts at the beginning of the year, we went all the way to maybe 1 rate cut. So I'm on the bear side now. This morning, some nice buys, 40-50 pips, but now it's time to sell.
Good evening, Thomas.
Hello, Charles. Congratulations, another funded account.
Yeah, Charles, you're killing it. Well done, man.
Now I'll try and lose them all in one trade. Thank you. It's taken a long time. I've not earned a single penny through trading this whole year. So it's a weird thing to do, seeing all these numbers on your phone and so much the challenge period.
Yeah.
And obviously none of it sees my bank. So my dad's there like, back in my day when I did work, I got cash in the hand. It was there. It was real. I just don't get it. I don't get it.
Yeah, and they were walking 5 miles barefoot in snow to school.
Yeah.
Uphill and against the wind, both ways.
Say that again, sorry, Mike.
They were walking barefoot uphill and against the wind, both ways.
Yeah. It was rough.
How old are you, Charles?
I'm only 24, but my dad's 66
Yeah,
now.
but your dad, at your age, he was already 26, wasn't he?
Yeah, he already had no, seriously, he was already basically married with a kid. like
Yeah.
almost.
But that was
working
the
jobs.
natural, that was the way of life. People get married young, and it was more, how to say,
It's-
predictable. Life was more predictable.
Yeah.
It wasn't
Crazy.
easier, it wasn't harder. It was different.
Mm. It's quite cool to be that sort of age, though, seeing all of the change that's led up to now. It's
For
definitely
your, like your dad, or
yeah, definitely an interesting age to be born, or like time of life. Sorry.
yeah, if you have a look on how much humanity have developed in the last 50 years,
It's
it's
crazy.
insane.
man.
It's the fastest ever. Like we went from zero to hero.
Mm.
Even in industrial evolution, there was another interesting, but it took like a good 80 years. But now with all the IT and artificial intelligence, and just crazy.
Yeah, who knows what's going to happen in the next 20 years?
I don't want to know.
That's quite a long time, isn't it, if you think about it? And yeah, that's crazy.
20 years is like such a long time, but then you look at what happened in the last 8 years, how fast stuff can develop, and just scary in a sense.
When we
Sometimes I
grew
think-
up, there were no iPads and no mobile phones, and mobile phones were a thing just coming in. I remember my dad had a phone like that massive briefcase, and and now it's crazy.
Mm.
I'm cautiously buying you.
EU.
You.
Yeah, for how many pips are you expecting?
Top of the range.
Yeah.
That's me in it.
Top of the range. Your barbecue's
shelf.
top of the range.
Top shelf. Nasdaq is just unstoppable. 20,000 is coming. Last time we spoke, it was around 19,000 something, and I said 20,000 is going to be in the next couple of weeks. But it maybe it's coming this week. It's in this session.
Hello, Thomas. Can you hear me?
Hello, Anies. Yes, I can.
Hi, Thomas. Sorry, I don't speak much, but I just want to let you know this community is amazing, man. The Discord is so great. I'm fairly new trader, but I want to shout out to Eisenhower. He is so cool. I mean, the guy is helping from top to bottom. I'm telling you, he is wicked.
He is good.
And
He is
everyone
good.
else as well. But
He's a
yeah,
keyboard
it's been.
warrior.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just want
thank-
to shout out to him actually.
Thank you for the kind words in the name of Eisenhower as well. I'm not sure if he's in the Zoom call.
I've never heard him speak, I don't think.
Yeah, I don't think he speaks.
Yeah.
Maybe Cat's got his tongue.
Eisenhower. Gavindra.
Speak out, boy.
Gavindra.
Show your face.
Yeah, I'll buy you a beer. I'll buy you a beer.
To touch back on the meeting yesterday, everything I read today is saying that he was a bit dovish. And obviously
What?
gold just continued to go down.
What, Powell?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's weird.
Dovish.
I put something in the Discord. I'll try and find it.
He was everything but not dovish. At least, I don't know what meeting they were listening. But
So I'll just read this out. It's not my words. It's from ING Economics, but it says the tone of the statement is a little bit more dovish, saying there has been modest further progress on getting inflation to target, having previously said there had been a lack of further progress. It is also important to point out that the dot plot is pretty evenly split between 1 and 2 cuts for this year.
yeah, but if you listen the whole speech,
Yeah.
this is only one. This he probably read it out in 2 minutes, but the whole press conference was about 30-40 minutes. So I think it's just really taking out of context and just focusing on what they want to echo. He was hawkish for sure. I mean, he said like, no, there will be no rate cuts because they need more evidence. Yeah, he said that, but he said that they're not going to jump on every single data print.
Yeah.
They need more. And
It was when he said he welcomed today's softer inflation print. And he wants more like that.
I don't know what this guy was doing or what he was listening to, but
State that members.
we have 10 minutes until PPI and jobless claims.
My sell stops triggered at 2305.5, and now I'm 25 pips in drawdown on both of them. I should have gotten in what you did, Tomas, but I see you're in drawdown too.
Yeah, but it's 50 pounds, so it's
Yeah.
But I'm on only 2 pip drawdown.
That little retracement is going to happen, but could continue bearish.
Anything is possible.
Famous words.
Famous last words.
What's up?
Oh my god, the
One.
man.
You telling me?
You're making money. Charles, congratulations for the funded account, huh?
Thank you, brother.
Milk
Yeah.
this shit, brother. Milk
Well
this
done.
shit.
Well done.
And 1 million incoming.
Yes. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
People asking if I'd still trade US30. I haven't traded for a few weeks now, but it's yeah, I should go back because some gold is difficult to trade.
Just 30.
Everyone buy GU with me.
GU.
EG, take your pick.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a signal from Kai. Place your bets.
Today.
Kai, stop loss and TP, please.
Top loss is at 27475. TP is at 8620.
Mine's at 77.
8-6. Yeah.
Hey Kai, send us a link to your Telegram group.
Jesus, Brad.
Whoa!
You know with your mic, Brad.
Yo!
Brad, what's wrong with your mic?
You blew my TV up.
You took my ear out.
Sorry.
Habibi!
Habibi. I don't know what's happened. My microphone? I don't know.
Very loud, mate.
Just
Very
talk
loud.
quiet. You'll be fine. Just talk quiet.
I'll turn down the output level a bit. There we
I know
go.
you're gonna
How's that?
struggle with that, but
There we go.
Where's stop loss?
Kai, so where's the link to your Telegram group?
no Telegram. No Telegram.
Not yet. Not yet.
Kai, start selling the investor pass to your live accounts.
Oh, what?
Don't worry, I'm just joking, mate. Just joking.
Forex C joke, is it?
Andre the Milky Man. Did you see his profits yesterday? Killed it.
No.
Bro, he killed it.
What is it in the profit and loss?
Pretty sure, yeah.
Andre.
The market milker
Oh,
is
okay. Yeah.
definitely Angelo. Angelo is killing
Yeah.
the market
I
every
thought-
fucking day.
In the
Angelo's
live,
something else, man.
he said he was buying gold.
I don't know what he's on, but he's on fire, bro. This is crazy.
He's on that inside shit.
Yes, different. Completely different, but
Who's
He should
this?
teach us how to trade.
yes, this
Is this
is
Angelo?
I don't. There's like a couple of things I don't understand. It's like Angelo, Andre, Mario, neither, Pen, Tamas, It's just beyond me sometimes. The whole market is like this, and they're like, what, 100 pips profit? I'm like, where? The market range was like 50 pips.
Yes.
If you want to know how Angelo trades, he's full blown into ICT. So the 22 mentorship, if you just watch that and literally follow it word for word, it's just all the fair value gaps.
Yeah, is that all Angelo trades? Just straight ICT? Yeah.
Yeah, straight ICT.
Yeah.
One trade,
And it's very simple as well.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. That's, yeah.
Actually, hang on.
Nice to see. Catch them pips, decent profits.
Yeah, rinse and repeat.
Yeah.
It's about kill zones as well, so you have to have
A
volume.
little bit trouble with the stop loss today, but
Yeah,
in the end, everything is fine.
you just have to trust.
Sometimes
nice
difficult. Sometimes difficult.
It's nice when your analysis also lines up and you're like,
Yes,
there,
yes,
like,
yes, 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 yes. The scalping from us now
Alright.
is, but this group is amazing. Absolutely
Indeed.
amazing.
I'm so
Pip
glad I joined
hunters.
this group.
We all are pip hunters. Pip hunters. Market milkers. Team milking.
Oh,
Yeah, but you know what I mean. Team milking is one of the best. Team milking. Yes.
Hey, Charles, Adrian, Brad, all of you, how did you find out about Tamash? Was it through YouTube?
I've been watching for years.
Yes. Especially searching for
Grinder.
yes, for good-looking MF
Amateur trader.
who's
Oh.
building up an edge, and
Yeah,
I
but-
especially are looking for gold traders.
Yeah.
And
It's
then
me
I
in the dream.
find Tamash, and I joined the group, and
You sure you were
then
not
the
searching for diary?
the journey starts, and
Thomas's face came to me in a dream.
Oh,
but I see a lot in the trading space, guys from Dubai and things like this, and this is the realest community out there. And I'm telling you, this is real people, real trades,
Real pips.
real accounts, real money. You know,
fucking real accounts. I've seen some of you
It's no-
motherfuckers.
this is no fake shit. This is outside. This trading space is this trading space is horrible. Thomas, you know what I mean. This is horrible. This is scamming. 85-90% is scam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The signal groups, they did everything. This is bullshit. And this is three live trades, live tradings a day, 24/7 available. This is amazing, amazing.
Thank you for the kind words.
I sent you my bank account details, Thomas.
Yeah, £5 as we agreed.
Every person you bring in.
I do the birria taco tomorrow, and I'm going to send some leftover for you to test it. Try it.
Parizat? You mean Parizat?
Parizat.
Yes.
What's
2
that?
minutes, by the way.
Where is he? Pariza.
Pariser. It's like Parisian, the salami.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the cheap shit that you put in the
Yeah.
the bun with butter. Yeah,
We
I
have
grew up on
news
that.
today, huh? We have news today.
Oh yeah.
1
This-
minute.
This my beloved jobless slaves. I hate this news. Always mixed. Nobody
Yeah.
knows
That's
what
the-
to do.
We have PP as well.
PP. I have PP in my eyes, brother.
PB.
We're going to see if it's going to be big PP or small PP.
Yes.
I'm going to pee myself if it.
So if you want to go study Angelo's trading, it's literally high time frame market structure and psychological price levels, breaker blocks, fair value gaps, fib, and kill zone. That's it.
Right.
Easy. Easy.
Where? you got it written down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
No, I'm going in this shit from Eisenhower now, with the charts and with everything because
Similar.
Mate,
Who's this guy?
he's not even real. He's fucking insane. What
Who's
he's doing
this
on the
guy?
charts. He's making he's
he's the real ghost in the machine. This is
If he had massive capital, then wow.
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen.
I'm doing a lot of talking.
10 seconds.
We have 10, 9,
Oh my god.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it on.
What's it saying?
Oh, well, rip.
Hey.
Man.
Jobless
Average
claims
is
is
lower.
significantly higher. I'm going to jump into a buy. Wide enough stop loss. Yeah. PPI is a little bit mixed, as expected. But the buy,
Oh, higher.
yeah, is
So
significantly
who
higher.
bought GU
So.
with me then? Who bought GU?
Oh nah, didn't.
What happened with GU? Fucking, oh my god.
Lovely stuff, boy.
So, the reason why I flipped is because the PPI, sorry, the jobless claims came out significantly higher, which is bullish for gold. That's why I flipped. But now it's struggling with the fucking pivot. This is why I say, guys, summer trading season is coming and it's going to be awful.
You just bringing us back to the same point yesterday and today.
Yeah. Is the actually was the Monday opening price? Yeah. Not the opening price, but pretty much the mean or the average is this range. Let me just show you quickly.
PPI was revised higher.
This is the range, the average true range. If we break the pivot, then hopefully it's gonna go higher. But you know, who knows? Anything is possible.
Continuing jobless claims revised lower, higher than forecast.
You're talking about the weekly pivot, Thomas? Around
Yeah.
23, 21?
Yeah. We're just massaging now.
Last PP just got revised.
Yeah.
To higher, yeah?
Yeah, higher.
How much higher was the difference?
0.1%.
That's
So-
not much.
Yeah, nothing.
No, not much, no.
The core PPI was also revised to 2.5. Was 2.4.
And now the pivots is it look at the range. It's really returning every day, returns to this range, closes out all buyers, all sellers. PPI is decreasing, so it's deflationary. PPI year on year, yeah, it should be. But then again, we have to factor in, you know, the Fed commentary yesterday, which is very hawkish, and they were very clear about that they're not going to jump on every single data set or data release. So this trade is purely just same thing as I did before, and what I showed in the chart: inflationary, deflationary, and just see what happens.
23.
I think selling from the weekly pivot.
Oh, you're
Stop loss
selling.
above.
Yes, maybe I'll start just with.
Yeah, start it. If I look at the data, I want to buy. If I look at the chart, I want to sell.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You use nice, Kai. Well done.
Thank you.
You called GU.
And take money. Leave a runner.
Yeah, nah. I've taken money on my life. I'm gonna leave my hundreds running.
And this is what's coming in the next 1 to 3 months.
We
So
can
prepare.
survive.
It's gonna be great. I can already tell.
Summer is always crap.
But for Eisenhower, he make millions in summer.
Yeah, fundamental. No,
Yes, he make millions in summer. 40 pips. Sell 50 pips. Bye.
Life on the move. Always heat and loss whenever in live stream. Yeah, man, I'm here to burn money.
In all fairness, when Thomas said buy, I went in and I am currently running 50 pips. I don't know how you're running 20.
Different broker, I guess.
I just had a buy stop.
Modzone asking, is this a sell? No, brother, it's a buy. And soon it's a buy.
If they want to sell, they can be my liquidity. I don't mind.
Ooh. Ooh. What?
We did the hold against this daily pivot, then should be all good.
Oh man, here we are. Good data, no movement. There was like 20 or 40, 30, 40 pips movement, but then that's it.
Nasdaq more all-time high.
So the Asian low was swept before you, and now it's just fly.
Oh, it's doing something. And I'm missing Brad right now. I need that to come on, go up.
Yeah, we could tell Brad ain't in a position, innit? We could tell he's on the sidelines today. Fucking hell.
Yeah, because his wife is working next to him. That's why he's quiet.
No gambling today.
No shouting, no let's all in, you know, he's very quiet.
Come on, you pig.
Whee!
It's always great when he comes in like, yeah, come on. Everyone is that silent and all you hear is just, come on, go.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Oi! 50 pips. Life on the move. He's just a gambler. Yeah, man. I gambled my university degree and my experience in banking and finance.
Half of his life.
Yeah, I mean, no gamble, no life. You gotta risk it to get the biscuit, innit?
Oh, there she goes.
If you don't risk it,
I'm running 120 pips.
Yeah, I have 1,000 people gambling with me, like, for years. We love gambling.
Yeah, it's horrible gambling with Thomas, man. Always making profit and stuff. Man, I
Yeah,
hate
it's shit.
Thomas is a good gambler because he worked on risk management.
And it's only gambling if you lose, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's only a dumb idea if you break your legs, you know, like jumping off a bridge. It's only a dumb idea if you break something.
I'm in from 204.
Nice.
Nice.
What? You bought right.
And I'm wondering, still be greedy or stop?
2305 was the 61.8 fib retracement. Fib retracement, baby.
Oh yeah, it was a good retracement this. Might close out.
S2 resistant, 61.8 Fibonacci.
But it's still struggling to break the pivots, which is why I really want to sell. So if I look at the chart and if I look at the pivots, now it's backing into the range, just below the pivot. I just want to sell this pivot always.
It's not even just the pivot. There's also the 61.8. The fib is also there.
Oh yeah, lower time frame, or from here.
Yeah,
to
even
here.
on the hourly.
Oh man, that is so beautiful.
That was your old PP, wasn't it, from earlier?
Yeah.
What's your trading style, man? Usually you hit TP, new here. Yeah, we only hit TP. We don't hit anything else. Sometimes We hit a few idiots, but that's it. Usually the TP. Oh, hold on. Hold on. That it just hit my TP from the morning, and now it's selling off. That's exactly what I said.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh man. But if you look at the data, that was deflationary.
I'm going in the middle.
Oh man.
Nah. I'm closing down in profit to buy.
That's a daily wage right there you just got, so you're chilling.
£140.
Yeah?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a 9 to 5 wage.
That's a very good daily wage in England.
Sat on your ass, doing nothing.
And
What, they have a rejection from the daily pivot, huh?
yeah. I'm gonna go in with a small sell.
Kissing the daily pivot and reject it.
Yes, I want him with a
60,
sell because
70 bips.
if you look back the morning analysis I sent out.
You didn't send it out, right?
I did send out. Yeah, it's exactly what I forecasted, but shitty market conditions and all over the place, the price action. And I was looking for sell at 23. Let me just have a look on Discord.
My sell stop is just below the 5-minute candle low. So if we go, I'm with you.
Okay, so you're going in about now.
Yeah, man. Let's go.
Yeah, full margin. So the morning analysis was...
Instant pips. Unbelievable.
This was the morning analysis.
3 pips.
Yeah, this right here. Hit the pivot and then continue to sell down. But the data managed to push it to the pivots, and now it's selling off from the pivots.
Someone's upside down.
Sentiment's still bearish? Seems.
Yeah. Look at the data. Looking at the data, it's a clear buy. Looking at what happened yesterday on the FOMC, it's a clear sell. Looking at the technicals, it's a sell. Yeah.
When we know there's a sentiment shift, how do you tell?
What's that, sorry?
How do you tell when there's like a sentiment shift?
What, fundamentally or technically?
Fundamentally.
Thing is, sometimes news releases can only last for like 30 minutes and then it continues with its trend. So, I guess whatever's most important.
Is there someone echoing?
Yeah.
It's Henry Yogi.
Removed.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, BB.
Hello.
Wagwan.
I'm looking for a re-entry on oils.
We'll never trade oil. What's it looking like? Should have bought oil during COVID and just held.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda, innit?
Oh, Angelo finished for today.
Man, I imagine just
Hey,
having
the
bought
hot
Pen.
during COVID. Gold. Ooh.
And Pen as well.
Oh my
Lazy.
god.
Lazy
10
bunch.
Lazy. 10 pips, what?
Oh my god, the riches. We starting somewhere.
On a 5 lot, 10 pips is good.
Oh, definitely.
Triple your losses, Habibi. Oh man.
Triple your losses Thursday.
Yep.
Initial jobless claims is high.
There's no other data after this. This is it for the week.
Not good.
That means it's Friday for me.
That's good.
Very good.
Well, tomorrow is Fed monetary policy report.
Tomorrow there's also export price index and import price index. I don't know if that's actually going to do something, but.
Pen selling?
Yeah.
Good.
Sehr gut, ja.
And tomorrow is Japanese interest rate.
It's targeting 2280. That's
Stop
good.
loss, funny.
So Yogi is asking, hello Tomasz, can you please tell why gold pump? Is there any news? I didn't saw any news. Nothing, brother. Nothing. It's market manipulation.
It was just a gust of wind and gold suddenly went up. Yeah, this is going to be a fun summertime, man.
It is behaving like it wants to come back down, though.
Yeah. It definitely seems that way, but.
Everybody have a good weekend, Amo.
Have a good one, brother.
Yeah, man.
You go.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Alright.
2277, come on.
Oi, 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 oi! Gold is selling off.
Hey.
Pen went into the market. Pen is selling.
Leave now.
Thomas is selling. Bialik.
Oh.
Bosh.
Was it
She
Bialik?
goes.
Damn it, Ben, why didn't sign to drop the heavy lots?
Double down.
Double or nothing.
Let this shit flush now.
Alright, Johnson selling.
Aww.
Hi, puppy.
$20 lots.
God damn! Oh, Ben did really go in.
Went in dry.
Ben and have 20 lots in sell.
Big lots, big boy lots.
Yeah. But gold isn't looking well.
When you look at this on the hourly, it's almost a doji. Big long.
What was it? Uh, 45 minutes until New York Open.
I think this is Ben out. Oh no, he doesn't use stop losses, right?
No, he doesn't use stop losses.
Yeah.
Crazy, man.
It just testing the weekly pivot again.
Can't do it.
C trader crashed. Not sure I use meta.
Oh.
Matrix.
Oh, she's doing something.
Who is selling? Who's buying?
Sell.
Sells.
Selling dollars.
But it's going to be a ranging market until New York open.
Yeah, selling to us.
Where's your stop loss, Thomas?
All over the place. I have one in at 28 and at 27 and a half.
Oof.
You're not as good as I heard. Thanks, I didn't purchase your subscription. No problem, brother. One less idiot. One idiot
Where'd
less.
you hear that from?
No idea. Maybe his sister? Yeah, that wasn't that good.
We were married.
Hmm?
On the weekends.
Back in
Just because I'm on a diet, it doesn't mean I can't have a look on the dessert menu.
Bad guy.
Bad man.
Bad man.
And it's still massaging. It's still trying to break the pivot, trying to reject the pivot. And it's been within this range for all fucking week. With, you know, some minor up and downs. But the general range is right there.
Dollar's just holding on for its life right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that DXY?
Yeah.
Even with the softer CPI, dollar hasn't weakened that much.
Yeah, but I thought this month on month from PPI would have done something significant. At the bottom.
Guys, I'm gonna call it a day. We've been watching gold for the past 10-15 minutes. And it is still within this range. Still testing the pivot. If I look at the data, it's a clear buy because it's deflationary. But if you look at what happened and what was said yesterday on the FOMC, and if you look at the technicals, you know, I just want to sell.
Sticky.
Add another sell. Why not?
Bosh.
It really does look like the sellers gave up and they're just going to shoot up.
Nah. They didn't say things like that.
Anyhow, you guys got 36 minutes until New York Open. I'm gonna start the weekend. And let's have a look, what do we have next week?
Yeah.
Still playing with the pivot. And next week...
Such a joke.
Monday nothing, Tuesday Euros and CPI.
Oh.
Retail sales in the US and industrial production and manufacturing.
Thursday is the big day, I think. Unemployment claims.
Wednesday is not a single US data.
Because it's holiday.
Oh yeah. Juneteenth. What? Juneteenth?
What the fuck is Juneteenth?
Celebration of the end of slavery in the United States.
Oh.
Is it something new that they introduced because of the BLM?
It became a national holiday a few years ago. It was celebrated in several states before then.
Weird name, but good cause.
Yeah.
I could have
Anyway.
named it something like,
For freedom.
yeah, freedom.
Thursday.
Ooh, CPI, PPI on Wednesday for GBP.
Yeah. Big day for you, Kai.
Okay for me, yeah.
Thursday is shed loads of data for the US. And Friday usually nothing. It's an American history that should have been celebrated. Yeah, I mean, let them celebrate it. Okay. Good luck watching the pivots.
Thank you.
It's been 30 minutes. Nothing happened really. Yeah. Shitty week, shitty month. I'm gonna call it a day and see you all next week. Tuesday.
Okay, see you.
Have a good week, everyone.
Have a nice weekend.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye.
Nice weekend.
Enjoy.